Hello everyone, it's Preview Friday for Creative Memories. This is the advisor update that comes out on Fridays for just the advisors, but I'm sharing it with you so you can be ready for making your purchases Monday before they all sell out. Okay, I'm just diving in right with you. I have no idea what's in here, so let's check it out. Looking at this, I don't think there's too much new, but let's see. You can order the secret box that launched this week, so make sure you get that so you can get 10% off. And there's always really good stuff in there, like I said in my video last week. This live buy it all bundle. The deal on it is extended until the 23rd. And there's a January completed album challenge. So if you complete an album, it doesn't have to be you completed it just this week or just in January. It could be you completed an album you've been working on for 17 years. It doesn't matter how long. You've completed an album. You get to post it on the Facebook group in the virtual crop. It's called the virtual crop group. And there's prizes. And a lot of people don't go on these. And so the people who do get all the prizes. So that's something I recommend if you want some prizes, some free stuff from Creative Memories, some good free stuff from Creative Memories. And you want to share that you completed an album. How cool is that? Also, oh wait, look, there are products launching. So you know what that means? They're new. It's called Passport to Adventure Collection. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's just jump right in. Okay, this is a video on the collection or kit that Noreen does. And what she does is she goes through each paper and sticker and embellishment and sort of showcases everything in this collection. I will link that video to my video so you can watch it. I will say, the videos, the emails, and the website never do it justice. Every time I think something looks pretty cool, that looks pretty cool, I'll order it, I get it in person, and it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. It looks amazing in person, and for whatever reason, it's really hard to showcase it in photos. So I'm just telling you, if you think you like something, get it. You'll love it when you get it in person. Okay, so it's the Passport to Adventure, and you have the 12 by 12 album. It looks like a nice slate gray with some luggage and a globe for travel. And then you have papers, stickers, embellishments, and matte packs, and borders that coordinate. What I like about these colors is I have a lot of travel photos, and in the past, I haven't been able to find a kit that is most of the kits I've found for travel themes are very bold and bright or stark or just sort of take away from the photo or they don't match the place we're in. I've seen a lot of pink for travel. I've seen a lot of just sort of bright colors and it just takes away from the photos in those cases for me. And these colors look like they will really complement the photos. Here are coordinating cardstocks that you can purchase separately that will go along, that will totally match and complement this collection. Here are other collections that will complement it based on their theme and or color. Here's an advisor, what she had to say about this collection. Here's a close-up of the album. Like I said, it's a nice slate gray, and it looks like there are silver and gold foils, so that'll be really pretty. Again, in person, I'm telling you. Here's a great layout idea, and this is showcasing all the different papers. This is really nice. These are really, really cute. I like that there's sort of a lighter feel to the colors, and you have stickers and all these papers. Every time you get paper from Creative Memories, you're going to get 2 of every pattern or style or design because they're double-sided and you might like what's on the back and you might like what's on the front. You might like both and then say, I don't know, how can I use both? Well, you get 2. So you can use 1 of the front and 1 of the back. You get 2 of every single design. And here's some of the paper. Here's some ideas to make a little section on your page. and it's showcasing the embellishments and stickers. Here's the stickers. You get your border stickers, which are adorable. You have some sentiments and sayings here, all kinds of great travel things, and then some cute little stickers that are just adorable. I love these. I love these little airplanes and clouds and cameras and everything, and they give you a few, and they give you different colors as well, so you can match how you want to. And here's another layout idea. Look at all these little tickets and things that they put into the top here. And see these photos, like this one and then also this one, you see the photo. The paper and embellishments aren't taking away from your travels and your faces and what's happening here. And oh, look at, they took a little picture and put it in a passport. That's really cute. This airplane, I just love this airplane. It's adorable. And a close-up of that layout, very cute. And then the variety map pack, which I've told you that I like to use for titles, but also journal boxes, also frames. I think here, this is, I think, one of the map packs. Yep, these could be map pack. They might be papers, but then, oh, I see they're showing it here. Okay. And then you have embellishments. Look at the cute airplane and the little airplane and all these places to write journaling, put photos, and just embellish your page. And that adventure thing, that's really cute. And these borders are adorable. You've got your planes, you've got your trains, you've got your automobiles, and then you've got your cruise ships and your buses. You have everything, and I love this train and little train station. That's so cute. How easy is this page? Pop in a few of the borders. You've got the buses up here, you've got the train down here, a few pieces of paper, your photos, a little bit of journaling, and you're done. That's like a 15-minute page right there, and it's beautiful. Beautiful. And you've got 5 pictures on the page. It's not a 1 photo page. This is great. Look how much fun. Look at these borders. Look, these are pretty good photos here, actually. I'm impressed. Because sometimes you just, it's not very clear. You're just like, wait, I can kind of see it. But here they've done a good job of really showing the borders. Really nice. And there's a border punch. With the border punch, you can do the positive or the negative. So you can punch out the stamps, or you can do a strip of the negative to make a border, like they've done here. And then they've added, oh, look, if you get the border punch, you get these bonus mini embellishments so that you can put some in along the border there. That is super cute. Really nice. And so many uses for a border punch where you have these stamps. Every single holiday can have a little stamp on the page, like Valentine's Day, Christmas, right? All the time you have little greetings and things that you can put little stamps to coordinate with your layout. And then there's the compass punch, and I love this because it can be a compass, it can be a nautilus, it can be just a geometric shape that can be anything. When you need that little extra doodad and you don't want it to take away from the page by being something really specific, like, for example, a deer. A deer is pretty specific, right, to certain thoughts and feelings of what you're scrapbooking, but a deer wouldn't fit your travel page, or it wouldn't fit your page on your birthday or Valentine's Day. This little compass, this little geometric shape can just be popped in just to add a little bit of something, but it doesn't overwhelm. I love geometric shapes like this because they go with everything. Highly recommend these. And if you order the Passport to Adventure bundle, you can get it for 10% off. and that ends on February 9th. So you'll want to do it before February 9th, but I recommend doing it Monday. Why? Because lots of times these sell out. Or what will happen is if somebody just wants the embellishments and then a whole bunch of people just want the embellishments, all of a sudden the embellishments sell out. And now your kit or bundle doesn't have the embellishments. They will lower the price to accommodate the missing embellishments, but now you can't get them until maybe September. So if you like this collection, I would order it Monday. It's going to go with every kind of travel, every kind of trip, every kind of vacation. It's got the colors that coordinate with everything. You've got your planes, trains, automobiles, buses, everything. So I love this collection, and I was on a spending freeze. I was really trying to have no spending in the month of January, non-necessary things like, okay, food is important and things like that. Bills we have to pay, but I wasn't buying anything else. And now I have to buy this because I just love it. I don't feel like they did a great job showing the map pack. So this could be a great title for your page. This guy could be a great title for your page. Or you can use them for journaling. You can use them to map photos really easily without having to cut up any of your beautiful paper. You just stick it on map pack. And map packs come in two sizes. They are 4x6 and, I want to say 5x7, but that sounds big now. Let me just check if they wrote it on here real quick for you. Here's map pack. It doesn't say the sizes. I should know as the advisor, but they're two sizes. I'm pretty sure it's like a 4x6 size, and then I want to say 5x7. So you can fit different size photos. You can have different size borders around your photos, things like that. So here is the Fast to Fab bundle, which what they do is they give you the pages for an album, and every page already has a background. And all you do is add your photos and embellishments, stickers, and your journaling, and you're done. So that's why it's called Fast to Fab, because it's fast and it's fabulous. So this is great for people who want to just get that album done, and they love scrapbooking, but they don't want to take 20 years to do an album like I do. And then you have an 8x8 Passport to Adventure paper album for. You want to give this album to someone that you went on a trip with. You put all the photos in. It's already the colors of the collection, and then you add your embellishments and stickers and your journaling, and you give it to them as a nice gift of, hey, I had fun traveling with you, and this is our memories right here. Isn't that great? Oh, look at this. We have the Passport to Adventure. These are brochure pockets, variety pack number 2. I don't remember variety pack number 1, but I probably missed that somewhere else. This is to put brochures in onto your page, and then these are Power Simple pockets. So these are just for storing your supplies. These guys right here, like they're showing down here, they're putting cardstock and stickers inside, but it doesn't necessarily go into your scrapbook, but it just coordinates with the adventure pack, and that's really cute. Then the brochure pockets, okay, so they're clear. So you peel off the white backing for the adhesive, and then they are clear and they stick to the page. And you can put in brochures, tickets, photos. You can put in a little design that you made. Oh, and maps. That's clever. I always want to put a map in my scrapbook, and I never know how. And you go to Australia, you go to Paris or Hawaii, and you want to keep that little map that you were using while you're there. Maybe you don't use maps anymore. Maybe you look at it on your phone. That's fine. I like maps. I probably don't use them anymore either, but the last time I went to Paris, I was using a map, okay, and that was 2018. So anyway, they're just a really great way to accent your travel scrapbook pages with some maps and things. And just anything you've gathered along the way on your travels can go into these brochure pockets. Very cool. And now, This is interesting. I just did a page of San Francisco. Actually, I did like 8 pages of San Francisco. So I need to get these so I can put them, because I can just pop these in. They're just little embellishments. So cute. And it looks like these coordinates, the colors do go along with the Passport to Adventure bundle. So you get the bundle or you buy pieces of it, however you like, and then you can get specific with San Francisco. Very cute. And Las Vegas, we went to lots of cheer competitions in Las Vegas, and I actually have a photo of the cheerleaders in front of this sign, so I'm going to have to get that. And Nashville, we haven't been to Nashville yet, but oh my goodness, look how cute these are. So you get the Passport to Adventure bundle, and then you add in these embellishments to coordinate and get specific. How cute is that license plate? Okay, so here's the inventory. Not returning, so this is your last chance to get these items here. Feel free to pause the video and look this over. Out of stock and not returning. These are gone. It's it's kind of like, so sorry guys, you missed this, but this is why you get it here before it ends up down here. And then returning, so it's out of stock right now, but it is coming back in February. These items. Returning in March is this item, and returning sometime this year are these items. So this is kind of like, hey guys, all of this is going to end up here or here. So, this is your last chance. And a lot of the times, if it says not returning, then it actually is going to end up here. So pick it up. What happens over here is these are really, close to new items that just came out within a week or a few months ago, and they didn't anticipate it selling out. So they ordered, and it's going to take a while to get there because it has to be made and shipped. And so they're like, okay, we want our customers to have all these things. We weren't planning on them selling out. These things we've had for a while, and eventually they need to go. So that's what's happening there. So mostly Creative Memories is limited edition everything except for the major tools like a trimmer, scissors, and things like that. But the collections, if you like them, if you like the punches, if you like the papers, you get them as soon as they come out because they will sell out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.